Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Thomas and Friends. These are minis. Wow, these are really neat. Let's get a closer look. We have some normal Thomas minis. We have some DC Super Friends minis. And we have a couple blind bags. I wonder what's inside. First we have Edward. He's the number 2 engine. He's got a snowman on him and he's covered in snow. He even has snow on his wheels. Wow, that's really fun. Are you cold, Edward? No, because Edward is a hard-working engine. Next we have Paxton. Wow, look! That's a really good replica. I love the size of these Thomas minis. Let's see Paxton hook on to Edward. So easy! Who's next? Oh look, it's Bill. Wow, he's a really cool yellow train. He's got red wheels. And he joins the line. Choo-choo. Let's see who else we have. Wow, look, it's Ben. He has a dinosaur skeleton on his train, and his wheels are a little bit dirty. Isn't that fun? Wow, it's Hero. Hero's wearing a mask. He's engine 51. And then we have Salty. Oh, I like this little engine. He's red. He's got a gray face and he looks so fun. I like his black wheels too. Oh, there he goes to join the line. We need some new trains. Let's do some DC Super Friends. We have Wonder Woman, Batman, and even some others. Let's check them out. We have 4 superheroes here. Let's see who we have. Look, it's Thomas. Look at his bright blue wheels. And look, Thomas is being Batman. I love his blue mask. Next we have Henry. Henry is the Green Arrow. He has green mask too. You can see his arrows right there. That's a lot of fun. Look, it's Steven as Sinestro. Ooh. And finally, we have Emily as Wonder Woman. Wow, there's Thomas as Superman and so many others. Let's get a closer look. Look, here we have Thomas as Superman. Look at his Superman cape. And look, we have Percy as a Robin. That will go great next to Batman. He's got a yellow cape. Iron Airy is Shazam. Look, Flynn is Firestorm. Sydney is the Penguin. Look, he even has his umbrella. Paxton is Lex Luthor. Edward is Black Adam. Look at that lightning strike. D10 is the Joker. Ooh, look at his cool wheels. One is black and one is white. Ha! That's a lot of fun. Says ha ha ha. And finally, Millie is Catwoman. We have so many trains. I wonder what's in the blind bags. There's 2. Let's check them out. Wow, it's a regular Thomas. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, look, it's Edward. We already have one of these. But it's still fun to have. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.